The Smithsonian Folklife Festival annually attracts thousands of tourists to the National Mall for rich cultural experiences. The festival focuses on different regions around the world and has been amazing tourists with unique culture since 1967. This year, the Sounds of California exhibit highlights the music and culture that has been brought into several California regions. Immigrants have been pouring into the state over the past half-century from areas all over the world. In fact, 1 in 4 immigrants in the U.S. lives in California, making it one of the most diverse states in the country. This program presents music and dance performances and activities to reflect the changing culture in the state and the country. These artists are a long way from home and have worked endlessly to merge aspects of their culture into their new communities.
Well, I think it's helped to change the young people's attitude that this culture belongs to us and we can continue to add to it. It's not a static thing that we have to, a tradition that we have to adhere to, but we can make it a living tradition.
And we also go out in California to go help out with other towns that are out there that are also doing a party for their santos. So that's why we kind of do this for every different occasions from our religion.
I'm a songwriter, but I was also a member of Buddhist temple. And I was asked by the minister to write an English Obon song. And Obon is these circle dances that we do to remember our ancestors. He wanted young people who don't speak Japanese to understand what is our tradition about.
Understanding the language, the food, the artwork, the dance, it all combines into one useful way of learning. I think it's because everyone learns differently as well, so having that as an opportunity is, yeah.
At the festival, there are countless opportunities for people to learn and get involved. Tourists can eat native food, watch different performances, or engage in diverse activities.
Martha Gonzalez, I found out was the name of the lady who brought everyone together, which, can't be an easy thing. You got people sitting there on a bench and you're trying to get people to interact and be creative, and she was just so good at that. She inspired us. She said, okay, first, let's just name some words. And I looked at the line of words and saw things like life and, believe and colors and gravity. And so then she said, all right, let's look at this list and let's see if we can create a song. And that's what we did. And musicians, they all came together and we created a song. It was wonderful. Absolutely wonderful.
Bambutsu no Tsunagari means 10,000 things all connected. Because we want to show that not only are we're connected as human beings, no matter how different we are, but we are also connected to the circle that we're dancing on, the earth.
I learned that, we're not all that different. We're all human beings, and if we come together and bring our shared experiences, that, the world will be much better off.
I think one is, to recognize the importance of our roots, that Japanese Americans, Mexican Americans, Chinese Americans, we have helped to build California.